What now?
I couldn't find a cowboy shirt that he has, and he has a shirt under it.
Oh.
See?
Oh, got
And
it.
then I had to start it right here when there's that much before it, because I only know this part. That's all I know.
That's pretty good. Good job.
He goes, fun. No, he does, dun.
That's good.